1 minus 4 gives us negative 3. And again, here we have 1 minus 4, which gives us negative 3. And negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to 9, because negative times negative is positive. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, MD stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So the first thing to solve is parentheses, and then after we solve all the parentheses, we solve exponent, and exponents are the second thing to solve, and the third thing to solve is multiplication and division, and the fourth thing to solve is addition and subtraction. Here is the thing. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. So let's go back into our problem. Here we have 1 minus 4 and 1 minus 4 again, but we are not going to solve these two before the multiplication, because multiplication has greater priority than subtraction. So 4 times 1 is the first thing to solve, and 4 times 1 gives us just 4. And the problem becomes 1 minus 4 minus 4. And 1 minus 4 gives us negative 3. And negative 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 7. So the final answer to this question is negative 7.